Hi, and welcome to 2105 Guzzo Street in Ocean Beach, San Diego. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath view home just oozes with character. It is a single-level Mediterranean-style home that was built in 1936 and is perched on an oversized 8,000-square-foot corner lot. Features include wood floors, plaster walls, central heat, dual-pane vinyl windows, tankless water heaters, a detached 2-car garage, and tons of off-street parking. Step into the sunken living room with a fireplace, an arched view window, built-ins, and 10-foot beamed ceilings. There is also a spacious eat-in kitchen, formal dining room, oversized bedrooms, a walk-in shower, and plenty of closet space. Enjoy the quality of life here with ocean, bay, fireworks, and nightlights views from your living room, dining room, kitchen, the studio apartment, and all yards. Plus, there's plenty of grassy yard space, killer entertaining areas, and avocado, orange, and other fruit trees. In addition, there's also a sweet studio apartment that's attached to the garage. It has a small private backyard and ocean views. It's just perfect for family and guests. This neighborhood is a great pocket in Ocean Beach that is highly owner-occupied. It is walking distance to the beach, parks, nightlife, restaurants, cafes, and shopping. It is also just minutes to downtown San Diego, both San Diego and Mission Bays, the airport, and it's just blocks to our highly ranked area schools. Ocean Beach is a cute beach town within the city of San Diego. It is known for its quirky, funky style and laid-back charm. The neighborhood is full of cute cottages and has a character all its own. It is quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. Don't miss your opportunity here. This is the first time this home has been on the market since 1954. Many amazing memories were made here over those 70-plus years, and there are many more to come. And those memories could be yours. What are you waiting for? Call me today to make this dream your reality.